So you want to get into the habit of working out. Yeah, nice. Time to get healthy, right? All right. But having the intention of exercising isn't exactly the same as exercising. So I've dug deeper into what the habit experts were saying, and I found 3 practical nuggets to help you work out more consistently. So I went into the work of James Clear, Leah Babauta from Zen Habits, and BJ Fogg, who are all renowned experts in habits, behavior, and just like the self-improvement scene. But what was interesting was that I found that a lot of their practical suggestions had one common theme, and it didn't focus on the habit of working out. It focused on what was around the habit of working out. So I've condensed this all into like a framework called the Make It Easier framework. And I know it's a genius name. So the first concept is activation energy. Everything you do needs a certain amount of energy. And you can see this through what you just do in your day-to-day. Making a cup of coffee, emails, going for a run. Your goal is to lower the activation energy of working out or any habit you're trying to build up. Leo puts it like this: do something so easy you can't say no to. So by telling yourself, hey, I'll be doing a shorter workout today, 15 minutes, not 1 hour, it feels a lot easier mentally, and that'll help you get an edge to just show up to your workouts and to exercise more often. Most of us fall short of building up the habit of exercise because we put too much attention on it. Zoom out and take a wider perspective. The habit of working out doesn't actually start in the gym. It's the things you do before, whether it's coffee, food, geeing yourself up. This is what you should focus on. Perform a ritual and make it a routine. To get into the habit of working out, you need to show up. By having a sort of routine or things you do before the gym, it helps you sort of get into this state of flow. And it's this flow state that makes working out or getting to your workout a lot easier, or feels a lot easier. For me, I work out in the morning, so the things that I do are like, I wake up, have a glass of water, have a piece of toast, drink my coffee, get a bit of daylight, and then work out. You won't realize you're doing all of this until you actually bring awareness to it. Once you start ticking things off, you'll build up this momentum, and just like with the flow of things, you'll get to your workout a lot easier. And the last one is, how many low bars do you set? You know, if you haven't been working out consistently, or you haven't been working out at all, going from nothing to something is a huge jump. Well, a mistake that I've had and a mistake that I've seen is that you start off with 0 and then you jump straight into 5 or 6 times a week into full workouts, and that is crazy. Now with the experts and what they're saying, there's 2 schools of thought which I will let you be the judge of. Number 1, set a really low bar like once a week. Nail that time after time, and you want to build up from there. So the second one is set yourself up with a higher frequency, maybe 5 to 6 times per week. Now the idea behind this is not to have full workouts, but to do really short, really easy ones. And either way, the takeaway here is to make it easy for yourself. Setting a low bar or setting many low bars can help you get the reps in that you need to turn exercise into a behavior. So if you got something out of this, you'll love the newsletter. We've actually just reached over 200 subscribers, and it's all about improving you, whether it's physically, mentally, or building habits just like this. Every Tuesday, you'll learn something practical and something that you can implement right away, because it's really easy just to take all this info in and not do anything about it. So if you wanted a full write-up of this guide, there's actually 2 more parts to this. I have a guide on my website, and you can also find the link to subscribe to the newsletter down below. My name is Vic.